And this is how to install and assemble the parts. Adjust your desired stretch level. Choose level 1 to begin with, or choose level 2 for more impact. To use it, simply place your lower back on top of the back stretcher. And rest your hands on the abdomen for about 5 minutes. You may stretch away your arms for more relaxation. You can even stretch more by straightening your both legs. Use 15 minutes a day for optimized result. Please follow these instructions for how to get upright. Roll to the side and lift your body up by gently pushing against the floor. Use both arms to support your upper body until you feel comfortable to sit upright. Roll to the side and lift your body up, then place one hand to support your neck until you feel comfortable to sit upright. You can also gently stretch your neck for further adjustments.